Time to do some sketchy shit. Do-da, do-da. Hope you're fucking get away with it. Do-da-day. Driving through a farmer's land. Do-da, do-da. Probably get shot again. Do-da-day. Beware the grass clippings. Oh no, can't drive on grass. Where do I want to go? This way. We're going this way. Oh. She's a little slick, boys. Yep, she's a little slick. I think I need to be up there. Yeah, more better. Maybe not. That's more better. Here we are, the one and only Lincoln Dugan National Forest Tour. Give you a nice little tour. Very well maintained. This place is freaking awesome. Try not to crash in the national forest. Big hole. Very groovy, man. What do we got over here? Oh. Dugan Center National Forest. Owned by my cousin, Troy Lowe. Super great guy. His wife, awesome also. Whole family's just downright awesome. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the tour of the Dugan National Forest here in Lincoln. We're out of here. Alright, so here we are. Logan County Park, Kickapoo Creek Park. Be a good day to play a game of Kickapoo. So, my guess is the best way to play this Kickapoo game is kick the dry piles of poo. The wet piles of poo, probably not so much fun. And I ain't got my Kickapoo boots on. I got my tennis shoes on. I know, bad. But, alright, let's go find us some poo to kick. Kickapoo, find me some poo. Dog waste. Gotta wash them soft poo piles. Really? Come on. Drive on grass only. Okay. I don't even know if this thing's recording or not. Oh, there's some restrooms. That's nice to know. Could have used one of those an hour ago. Had to poo in a ditch off in the woods a while ago. I might have to edit that out. Just getting out of the hospital, man, I've been pretty regular. I don't know if it's the steroids that got me on or not, but this thing got me wired for sound. On the way back there. Axeman, logging. I want to log them logs. Oh, look at these logs. There's money right there in them logs, them Axeman. Yeah, I'm watching too much History Channel. Logs everywhere. Too bad you can't park there and sit on the bench because you can't get off the pavement. All kinds of nice little trails I can be running. Oh man, feel that power? Man, when you add oil to your bike, man, it just seems to run good. And non-ethanol fuel. I need to switch out this camera with my small one on my mask. This thing just bounces. Makes me dizzy looking at it. And everybody's crowding the bridge up here. There's a bridge back in there I usually try to get to. But no. Oh, are they fishing? Y'all fishing? Doing any good?
I don't know, we just got out here.
Alright. What kind of fish are in here?
They got a little bit of everything in here.
Awesome. Well, good luck. Want to race? Man, unfriendly. This one person with the fish wanting to talk. Don't wave. I want to wave at you anyway. Boy Scout area. Did I fit through there? Maybe. Damn it. They've learned my evil ways. This is like a good spot to hang out. I think I'll hang out here for a while. Yeah, I think I will. Alright. There's a nice little ride today. Feeling kind of puny at the moment, weak. Hungry. So like that. There we go. Alright, let's continue Kickapoo and Kickapoo Park. that concludes our tour of Kickapoo Park. Y'all come back now, you hear?